Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I will show you how to insert slide number in Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. Let's start now. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint 2013 and click to add first slide. For better understanding, I'm adding more slide. And delete all text. Then go to insert and click slide number. Slide number, you can see this is a slide number. Check mark this box and click apply to all. Then you can see in right side bottom show number 1, and when you click second slide there have been number 2, same sequentially number 3, number 4, number 5 and 6. So you can easily add a slide number in PowerPoint 2013. Go to insert menu and click slide number and check mark the slide number option. When you remove this check mark and apply to all, the page number is removed. You will be add only one slide number. Go to slide number and check mark the slide number option and click apply. Then you can see only first slide number is showing on, and second there have no slide number. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.